How to draw a bar chart in 168 seconds. Let's go. When it comes to drawing bar charts, guys, there's going to be quite a few principles to bear in mind. Let's have a look at all of them by doing this question. It says, draw a bar chart for the following. Then we're given a frequency table here, which has color in the left-hand column and frequency in the right. Principle number one, that is going to be to always put our frequency on the y-axis and our other variable on the x-axis. Let's write those in then. On the y-axis, we have frequency. Let's draw that in, frequency, let's call it, and then on the x-axis we have color. Now, where are we going to go from there? The next thing we're going to have to bear in mind is that all of the jumps in our y direction, so all of our frequency jumps have to be the same. We can see that our total frequency is 10, and we have how many boxes? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes to use, so we can go up in jumps of 2. That is going to fit nicely. So drawing in those jumps, then we have 0 at the bottom, then we have 2, then we have 4, then we have 6, then we have 8, and then we have 10. Next, we're going to draw in the spaces in which our color bars are going to go. So let's have our red one first. So we have R there. That's going to be the box dedicated to that. Then we're going to have our blue. Let's put B for that. Then we're going to have green. Let's do G for that. Then we're going to have orange. Let's do O for that. Now, bear in mind, guys, a couple of things here. We've made sure that our bars are not touching, first of all. Well, I've not drawn them yet, but you're going to see. And we've also made sure that they're not touching the axis over here. That's another key one. We've also made sure that they're all exactly the same width. Again, I've not shown you that yet, but we're going to do it. So drawing in firstly our red bar, that's going to have a frequency of 6, so we can draw a line over here for 6. Then we're going to connect that to the color axes just like so, and you can see that's our first bar. Next, we're going to have blue. That's going to have a frequency of 10. Drawing in that bar, then frequency of 10. Let's connect that to the bottom. Guys, make sure absolutely that you use a ruler for this. You're going to need to use a ruler to get all of the marks. Next, green, what's it going to be? It's going to have a frequency of 12. I did tell a lie. I said it went up to 10, but it actually goes up to 12. How can we amend this though? Well, we can just draw on another number there. Let's have a look. We're going to draw on our 12. We're going to go up to 12 there. So drawing that line over, let's have a look, bang, and then down to the G. Now, one thing I could do is I could remake this video for you guys, but what I actually want to teach you is a more important principle here, and that is going to be that even if you make a mistake throughout the question, you can always fix it by paying attention and keeping on your toes. There you go. So there's an additional thing thrown in there. Make sure you pay attention, and if you make a mistake, you can fix it on the fly. Now, next up we have orange. What's it going to be? That's going to have a frequency of 8, so we can draw a line across from there. We're going to have 8 over here. Now we can connect those to our line. And finally, guys, we can see that we've drawn our bar chart. All of our bars have the same distance between them. All of our bars have exactly the same width. We've got our frequency on there, our color. So our job is done, guys. That is going to be all of the principles for drawing a bar chart.